Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus, and let me show you how to enable backup option on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's find and select the settings right here. Let's choose the additional settings, scroll down, and let me choose backup and reset. Then let's enable the Google backup. Let's enable backup my data feature. Let me use this switcher to turn on backups. Let's go back, and then you need to set the backup account. So let's choose backup account, and as you can see here, you can add the Google account, or if you have added, you can choose your Google account, but in my case I have to add a new one. The phone is checking info. Now it's important to have an internet connection, and here you can do it in two ways. You can choose more options and create a new account by using create account button, or you can use the existing Google account. So let me do it. Let's enter the email in my case. Sorry, let me choose right here, tap next. Let me enter the password. Alright, now you can choose next right here. If everything is alright, let's accept terms of services, tap I agree. The phone is checking info, let's wait a couple of seconds. Here you can enable the automatically backup to Google Drive. Let me leave it enabled, and let's tap agree. So that's it. You just enable the backup my data feature and add necessary backup account. You can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.